Hello everyone, a quick video on how to change the air filter on this, a Honda Insight. This is a 2011 model, but this applies to all the Honda Insights. I think they're like the Mark III, so 2008 all the way to about 2018 I believe it is. So but basically if your Honda Insight looks a bit like this, okay, so all you do, open the bonnet. This is a right-hand drive car, so if it's a left-hand drive, it might be on the opposite side, I don't know, but this is a right-hand drive car anyway. It's quite simple either way. All you do, unclip these, and then that one, pull that out. There it is there. And you just take the old one out. Sorry, it's a bit difficult me filming, and so there's a lever here, just here. You take it out, you can have a look. It's quite dirty, so we'll change that one. As you can see, this brand new one. I got this from Amazon for £10 something or other, but this is what you need. Okay, so literally you get the bit with the tab like so. Obviously make sure you wipe all of this. I already wiped it before I put the video on, so just make sure I got the clean nice neat one. Yep. So remember the tab, it's tab at the front, plonk that in, and that's it, job done. Just put that back in there, line all these up and click them back into place. So I'm just going to do that now. Actually, second thoughts, I should just show you, isn't it, for completeness sake. So there you go. Do this with gloves, don't do this. I'm telling you, I'm doing it in the cold and my fingers hurt. I regret not wearing gloves. There you go. See, I've clicked that in already, and that's it. Job's a good one. Hope that helped everyone. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.